Today I'm going to go through how to set up a Gaia node using Nodes.Garden. So first I head over to Nodes.Garden and I'm looking for Gaia. It's under AI and compute infrastructure. Before I can purchase this node, I need to make sure that I have enough in my account. If you don't, it's not a big deal. It's very easy to deposit. So we need a minimum of $25. I'm going to hit deposit. Next, I just need to make sure that I am putting it into the right chain and I have funds on my wallet. All I have to do is hit pay and then hit confirm. Our wallet is funded and you're ready to purchase this node. So we're going to scroll down to the bottom and we're putting in my coupon code Clint to get 15% off, and you're going to hit purchase, then hit OK. Next, we're heading over to the nodes portion of our platform. Be aware that some of these can take longer than others, up to 72 hours for the state to change from pending to online. Have some patience. It does take a while. I know Gaia took a little while for me, but it eventually will change to online. And keep an eye on the notifications over here. These will light up and you'll get a notification when it's ready. Back over on the project side, I'm ready to launch my node. It's online and I need to follow the detailed instructions that are either found here or sometimes there's a really detailed blog, which is super nice. And I'm going to go in and follow that step by step. You can also watch this video in order to get there quicker. Inside of your node section, once your node has gone online, as mine has, you can click into that and you will have access to your node data. You do not want to share this node data with anyone. It has the domain, the node, the device, and the key store password, all of which is going to be extremely helpful when launching your node. Okay, I'm ready to launch this thing. I want to move fast, so let's do it. The first thing I'm going to do is click on this link, which is GaiaNet.ai, and I'm going to quickly sign up. Now, unfortunately, you're missing the razzle dazzle of watching me sign up and insert my social media handles. Not a big deal. I've already signed up. Next, we're going to hit nodes. Nodes is where we're going to take the information from our sign up within Nodes.Garden and plug it into here. So you can watch me do that. I'm going to hit connect new node, and then I'm going to be copying and pasting the information from my Nodes.Garden account directly in here. It's really easy. First, I'm taking my node, and that is going to be copied and thrown into my node ID. Next, I'm taking my device and copying and pasting into my device ID. Now I've hit join, confirm, and I'm going to continue because I have an antivirus set up, but I'm fine. Hit confirm. Next, I want to go back over to my profile, hit node, and I want to join the Nodes.Garden domain. So I'm going to follow these steps super simply and basically hit first, next, then I'm choosing my domain. I am pasting in garden.gaia.domains, select, hit next. It's checking node status, and I hit complete. Congratulations, you have successfully submitted your application. Please check the approval status on the nodes management page. Awesome. After the setup, there's a few things that we have to keep an eye on. So within your application status, it's actually on the domain operator to review and then formally approve your application. Aside from that, we can claim rewards. After that's done, we can also claim some of the social rewards by going to Gaia XP, then hit start earning. I've completed a lot of the social stuff. I can do the rest of that later. My credit balance will start to show numbers as soon as I am approved. So fingers crossed, it's the waiting game. It's that easy. Follow the channel to see more of these quick tutorials on how to run your own nodes using Nodes.Garden.